What's going on, guys? Today we're getting a little bit of a late start. It's about 2 p.m. We have a few things we need to get done. First of which, we have to head out to AutoZone, so let's go. So the Tomei that I have is supposed to be pointing like upward and outward, but the OEM exhaust hangers are making it like sag, and it looks really sad, so we're gonna try fixing that today. So good, dude. I know AutoZone, it probably isn't the best place to come for exhaust hangers, but basically my exhaust hanger is like stretched out, so it's kind of like this. So if I get this exhaust hanger, assuming it doesn't stretch out, it should hold it up just a little bit more, which should be a good temporary solution. This might actually come in handy for what we're gonna try doing today. This is super ricery, but it's gonna make sense in a little bit. Whew, it looks so good. Got the stuff from AutoZone, now heading back home. So right now the plan is that I'm gonna put in the exhaust hanger and then we're gonna wash the car. Jay's on his way down here. I'm gonna probably go ahead and start washing my car before he even shows up. And then he's gonna wash his car because we're gonna meet up with Clutchworks again. And we're gonna try doing the craziest roller you've ever seen. For those of you who don't know what a roller or a rolling shot is, it's basically a picture of the car while the car is moving or like while it's rolling. It's basically in its name. I have a crazy idea. I'm not gonna tell you guys just yet. I'd rather show you guys just cause it's pretty funny. Look at this guy, he showed up already? Whew. I'm really liking the lights, man. I'm really liking the lights. Did you make him green because my car is green?
Nah.
Oh. I know I'm gonna get questions about wearing green shoes because my car is green. I love green. I always had green clothes. I have green shoes. I have a green jacket back there. That's why I got the car green, because I love green. You wanna explain to them what happened today?
So I was coming out of like the bank, it's on the left side, and then there's like my lane.
Yeah.
So then you had to like merge. I came to a complete stop. Like literally I was waiting and I was holding up traffic.
Yeah.
And I had my left turn signal out and I was waiting to go left. And then there was this other lady who wanted to go right. So then I guess she assumed that just because I was at a complete stop, she could go.
Yeah.
But as soon as she went, she like just kind of came onto me.
Basically, it was like that Family Guy scene where she's like, I turn now, good luck everybody else. You never saw the Family Guy scene? I'm gonna plug it in.
I turn now, good luck everybody else.
Feel so bad. Like you just got this car. How long has it been? Like
2 months.
2 months. I mean, we can cover it up. It's definitely like fixable.
No,
it's
yeah.
not gonna be too hard to fix. It's just, oh, the fender too.
Huh?
The fender too.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah.
But I mean, we can Bondo it up and then repaint it, but it's just a pain in the ass to do. Like,
yeah, I think I'm gonna get a new one.
so like I was saying, I had this crazy idea that involves my wing, the steering wheel I just got from AutoZone. And if you guys follow my Instagram or Snapchat, you guys probably know what I'm talking about, but I'm not gonna tell you guys exactly yet. I'm just gonna show you guys when the time comes.
All right.
All right, so this is pretty sketchy, but fuck it, I guess. I mean, if it were to go anywhere, it wouldn't really fall on me, so I guess I'm okay. Jay actually got here a lot faster than I expected, so he's gonna clean his car first while I do my exhaust hangers, and then he's gonna put his car in here, dry it up, and I'll put my car outside, and yeah. We don't have that much to do today, but we don't have a lot of time either. So right now for my exhaust, there's only 2 hangers. Usually, you know, for an exhaust, there's 4 hangers. Oh my God, I still have my hanger here, what the heck? But I still have my, I didn't even know I had my hanger. It's just been sitting there this whole time. I didn't even know that. That's hilarious. But right now, my exhaust is only being held on, or my muffler is only being held on by 2 hangers. One over here, and then one back over there. And I'm only gonna be replacing this front one because that's kind of gonna control like how up this sits. And I want this just a little bit more up, and I want it to look a little bit more aggressive. It's really dark under here and I know you guys can't see, so I'm just gonna show you guys when I pull it out. Got the old exhaust hanger off. This one looks a little crusty. It doesn't look that worn out, but it is a little bit bigger than the new one. This is the new one that we're putting on. You can see that it's just a little bit smaller, so it should hold it up just a little bit more. He loves the foam cannon so much. I totally forgot how big the Tomei was until I came down here. This shit is massive. Oh my God. Holy shit, dude. Oh, you just scared the shit out of me. Like I was saying, shit is huge. And came down here and saw how much I scraped this exhaust. I'm just waiting for an exhaust leak at this point. So we fixed the whole exhaust hanger temporarily. Now we're gonna jump inside and hang up the airlift controller. So for the longest time, I've had my airlift controller in like my center console area, and it got kind of annoying just, you know, pulling out the remote every time and adjusting the pressures. So I got something that I can just like stick right here. So hopefully it'll point out like that. I need to figure out how to hide the wire so it's not so exposed, but basically it's just going to be held like that. So it comes with a little magnet that you attach to your phone or air controller, and then it also comes with this little piece. This part I'm going to have to stick onto my dash. This part basically just connects with this magnet. I know a lot of people use this for their phones. I'm going to be using it for my airlift controller. So originally I was gonna put this like right here facing me. I thought it was gonna be kind of cool, but now I'm starting to think I might put it here. And you could tell that I had something here before. There's like some residue. I used to hold my phone right here, but over time when it got really hot, the residue got less sticky, and the magnet kind of just fell off, and you can see that it left a bunch of residue, and it's like really hard to take out. So if I could manage to put this like right here, that could cover this up, and this is a lot lighter than my phone, so this might actually hold up. And bam, there we go. Just have to clean that up, have to tuck the wire under here, and dude, it looks a lot better now. It's better than just reaching back here while I'm driving, adjusting it, and then putting back. Now I can just kind of see the pressures. If I ever just, you know, if I'm going over a curb, just press this. Normal driving this, if I want to air out right here. Jay took too long to clean his car, so we're running out of sunlight. So I'm just quick detailing my car real quick, shine the tires. I have to clean up my windows. I might just dust off the car really quick once we get there. I'm definitely bringing the quick detailer with me. And since we're running out of sunlight, we're just gonna have to hurry up and head out. So remember when I said I had a crazy idea in mind for the roller shot? This is it. This is, we're kind of on a road where it's not going to be dangerous, so hopefully nobody says anything, but yeah. All right, so remember that steering wheel I got? I'm going to be holding it out, pretending like it's a quick release. Yeah, it's not quick release, I'm just faking it, but it's going to look really good for the picture, so why not? I think we're done with rollers for now. Hopefully they came out awesome. I know they're gonna Photoshop it in a way that's gonna come out awesome, but we're headed to the second spot. Right, Ben?
Excellent. We're going there right now.
Yeah. It's getting a little dark. Oh, I don't even, you guys can't even see me. It's getting pretty dark, but they're gonna work their magic, and they're gonna do something called light painting, which I have no idea what it is. It sounds like some technical ass term, which photographers know. I have no idea what it is. They're gonna do it. It's gonna come out dope. If you guys wanna see the pictures, go follow their Instagram, go follow Jay's Instagram, and definitely go follow my Instagram. Holy crap. This camera is so much better in low light. The other camera I couldn't even see myself in. Wait, he's gonna do the cop lights. He's gonna do red and blue. Oh. He did like red on one side and blue on the other and started flashing them. Oh, come on, man.
Fuck yeah, I don't know.
Dude.
I don't know, little bro.
Exposed, man. You're exposed. You don't know how to work. You don't know how to work your own car.
You know how to wear your bags.
It doesn't have to get personal like that, Jay. It doesn't have to get personal like that. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and throwback to yesterday when it was like super nice and sunny and it wasn't too cold. Look at this now. It's snowing, and we're supposed to get about 13 inches today. What the heck is good with New Jersey weather, man? But I had something else important to talk about other than just complaining about the weather. So yesterday we had a bunch of fun going out, meeting up with Clutchworks, taking funny rollers of the cars and taking pictures, but there was a main reason why we went out and took rollers in specific. So Cosmos is holding a best rolling shot contest, and see that right there? That's what we're gonna win, boys. So to enter in this contest, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just fill out a form, submit your photo, and people have to vote for you, and whoever gets the most votes wins. this. That looks pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. But do they have a giant ass wing where someone is eating Sour Patches off of? I thought not. So if you guys liked the video or liked the picture or even found the picture the slightest bit funny, please hit that link in the description. Give me a vote. I would appreciate it so much. And I don't even want to keep the wheels for myself. I'm already sponsored by Option Lab. I want to give these wheels to my brother. He's getting his first car very, very soon. So I think it would just be dope to give it to him. I haven't gotten the chance to go through 1,020 entries just yet, but from what I've seen, I feel like I have the most creative rolling shot. So I'll leave the link in the description of this video. The contest only goes on for a few more days depending on when you watch this video. Please consider voting for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out.